Have you ever imagined going through an entire day without your smartphone? No messages, online classes, no navigation, no social media, no quick access to information. Today, smartphones have become one of the most important tools in our daily lives. We use them to communicate, study, work, shop, and stay connected with the world. But have you ever wondered what makes today's smartphones faster, thinner, smarter, and more durable than ever before? The answer is something so small that it cannot be seen by the naked eye: the nanotechnology.
Hello everyone! Welcome to my Nano Stuff. Today, we'll discover the amazing science hidden inside one device that almost all of us use every day, our smartphone. Although it looks ordinary from the outside, inside it are tiny technologies that make it faster, stronger, and more efficient. Let's explore the hidden world of nanotechnology.
Before we discovered how smartphones use nanotechnology, let's first understand what nanotechnology really is. Nanotechnology is the science and engineering of materials that measure between 1 and 100 nanometers. But how small is a nanometer? 1 nanometer is 1 billionth of a meter. To put that into perspective, one strand of human hair is about 80,000 to 100,000 nanometers wide. At this incredibly tiny scale, materials behave differently. Scientists can make them more stronger, lighter, more durable, and more efficient.
Now that we know what nanotechnology is, the next question is, why should ordinary people care about it? The answer is simple. Nanotechnology isn't just found in laboratories anymore. It has quietly become part of our everyday lives.
One of the most example is something everyone carries every day: a smartphone.
Our featured product is a smartphone. Whether it's Android or iPhone, many modern smartphones use nanotechnology to improve their performance. But before exploring the hidden technology inside it, let's first look at how smartphones become smarter over time.
As smartphones evolve, manufacturers search for ways to make them faster, thinner, stronger, and more energy efficient. One of the biggest breakthroughs that made these improvements possible was nanotechnology. Now comes the most exciting part: the hidden nanotechnology work inside your smartphone. One example is the display. Many smartphones use nano-coated glass that makes the screen more resistant to scratches, fingerprints, and even small amounts of water. Some display also use an heliophobic nano-coating that repels oil from our fingers, helping keep the screen cleaner. But nanotechnology doesn't stop there. Another important application can be found inside the processor. Modern smartphones use processors built with 3 nanometer or 5 nanometer technology. Because billions of tiny transistors fit inside one chip, smartphones become faster while using less power. What makes this even more impressive is that nanotechnology also improves smartphones' batteries. Scientists are developing nanomaterials that allow batteries to charge faster, last longer, and store more energy. And that's not all. Nanotechnology also improves smartphones' cameras. Special nano-coatings reduce glare and improve light transition, helping users capture clearer and sharper photos. So how does this compare with older smartphones? Let's find out. The impact of nanotechnology goes beyond the smartphones. It changes the way people communicate, learn, work, travel, and even respond during emergencies. This clearly shows the relationship between science, technology, and society.
However, like every technological advancement, nanotechnology also comes with responsibilities. Scientists continue studying the long-term effects of some nanomaterials on both human health and the environment. That's why responsible manufacturing, proper disposal of electronic waste, and informed consumer choices remain important. As we come to the end of our presentation, one thing is clear. Nanotechnology has transformed ordinary smartphones into powerful devices that are faster, smarter, and more efficient than ever before. As future criminology professionals, understanding nanotechnology help us appreciate how modern science supports digital forensics, cybersecurity, surveillance system, and crime investigation. Sometimes, the biggest innovations come from the smallest discoveries. The next time you hold your smartphones, remember you're holding the power of nanotechnology.
Think small.
Live smart. Experience the power of nanotechnology.